Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Julie and I do handbag reviews, and if you're not new, welcome back guys. It's so great to see you. So today I am doing a collaboration video with 3 other YouTubers, and they are Coach Craze, Alana of Coach Craze. I am doing this with Erin of the Handbag Housewife. And I am also including Fuchsia Floyd. She is newer to YouTube. I highly recommend you check out her channel. She has a great variety of bags and just a very overall sweet supporter and wonderful person. Alana of Coach Craze, as you know, she pretty much knows the ins and outs of Coach big time, and she has fantastic informative videos. And then Erin has just an amazing collection of bags, just of many brands, contemporary, luxury. She has lots of bags and she's just a sweetheart. So she actually included me in the collab with all the ladies. And so what the subject of the collab, what it is do we have a style or a brand of bag that is so nice we didn't buy it just twice, we bought it thrice. So what bags do we have 3 of in our collection? And there's a little bit of variations in mine. I don't have identical 3 of the exact same bag. They are a little varied, and I just kind of wanted to show you the triplets that I do have. And anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get started so this video is not too long. So I'll go ahead and bring up the first 3. So the first 3 bags that I want to show you are my 3 Longchamp size smalls. I actually have 5 of them, and I just really enjoy the size small top handle pliage. And I'm just going to show you this one I have in cognac. I have just this bag on repeat because it's obviously so good. The price is bar none. I mean, it's a really good price point. It's still, it's a decent amount of money, but it is on the lower spectrum of the pliage. They range anywhere from $110 to $125, just kind of depending upon the line that you get. But I have the one from the green collection here, the one from the originals line, and then this one is an older club style. I think they are doing away with the club line to replace it with the new green line and then the new energy that's out. So anyway, again, just really enjoy this style. This size is perfection. I have held the medium one. It for me and my purpose is a little larger than what I would use it for. I think I just don't need that much space, but it's still a good option. But for me, the small just is the winner all the way around. Just so lightweight, easy to carry, crook of arm, hand carry. It's just great. If you don't have to rely on a strap, definitely pick up one of these little guys. Just, a great price. So that's why I have literally 5 of them. I wanted to show you the 3. So this is my first set of 3. And if I didn't say it at the beginning, there's going to be 3 different groupings. Okay, so there's going to be 9 total bags that I'm going to be showing you. So it's 3 groupings of 3 of the same type of bags. So you'll kind of see what I mean here. Okay, so the next little grouping, or little set of triplets, would be my Speedies. So I have 3 Speedies represented. The Damier Ebene one did get sold. I just wasn't reaching for it, but I did keep my Ankh one. I want to keep this one. I want to keep the other 2 as well, just because I was reaching more for these 2 prints over the Damier Ebene one. So anywho, I'll show you though. This is the Speedy B from the Idylle line in the color Ankh, and it's just so good. My first one I did buy was my Damier Ebene one, and then I added I think I added the monogram one next. And so I just feel like this monogram one is just so stunningly beautiful. The vachetta is perfect. It is such even patina. It's an older bag. It's pre-loved from 2010. Gorgeous. And super, super bag. Just classic LV. I keep the lock on it. It slouches. It's beautiful. It's just, you know, it's classic LV to me. And I love the regular Speedy size 30. So all these are 30 size. And then on this one, I want to switch into this one today, in fact, because I just love the way it looks, just with like darker clothes. It is the perfect epitome of spring and summer is the Damier Azur Speedy. This one's even older. It's 2007. It's got the thicker canvas on it, and it has a darker patina on the vachetta, which is fine. The thing about this one though is it hasn't tarnished. Like, it's made very, very well. Like, the zipper pull has zero tarnishing on it. The lock has a little bit on it. It's not that big of a deal to me. The hardware on this is flawless. It's not scratched. It's just a great bag. And you guys, the crazy thing about these two, not that this really matters, they're both made in USA bags. So the whole I gotta have made in France, it's a nice little icing on the cake. As far as quality goes, from back in the era of like 2007, 2010, these bags were made so well that if you find an older pre-loved LV bag that's from, you know, I would say anywhere from like 2005 to 2015, even if it's made in the USA, it's gonna be made pretty well. Just kind of watch anything made from any country beyond 2015, in my opinion. And then here's this guy, and this one is a 2013 bag. Just super carefree. Love this bag. It comes with the most comfortable crossbody strap ever. Mary from Lumi Level Up, she just actually unboxed the burgundy purple one, and I'll link her video down below, but she absolutely loves hers. Her video is pretty funny, and I encourage you to check it out. So, but yeah, I mean, what great bags. So this one has an organizer in it. So that is that section of my Thrice bags. Okay, now on to the last section. So these are not the same bag at all, but there are 3 bags of the same brand, and I know this is kind of cheating. My collection of bags isn't that much. I have like 20, 21 bags. So for me to have on repeat 3 of the same bag, it's a little hard. So, but I'm just gonna show you. They would be my 3 Balenciaga bags. Now, one's a Velo and 2 are a City. So this is kind of a little bit of a cheat, but I'm gonna just show you. When I first got into Balenciaga, it's been recent, okay? It's a recent love affair, and you guys have seen me reveal these bags. Actually, the purple one I haven't even revealed yet on the channel, but I first revealed this absolutely gorgeous Velo in the Veau Rose color, and it's just every single time I look at it, I am just so in love with this bag. It's so cute, fun. It's like a little girl. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but it just brings out like the feminine side of me, which doesn't really come out that much. I'm very, very tomboy-y still in my 40s, hence my scooter accident that I just had with my son. So, but I just feel like this is still kind of that edgy girl or edgy bag with like a girly vibe to it, if that makes sense. So the leather, the quality, I love this bag. The way it feels, all of Balenciaga leather is so comfy. So I got this one first, and then I did get this one next. And then I did unbox this one on the channel. I was really looking for an all black bag besides my Lou camera bag, because that was the only black bag I had in my collection at the time. And where else, because I was in a love affair and still am with Balenciaga, I went ahead and picked this guy up off Fashion File. And this style is the Balenciaga City S. It is the small city, not the mini, not the regular. It's the size in the middle, and it's then the So Black perforated line. So this is great because it's a nice crossbody. It magnetizes closed, and the leather on it is a smooth calf leather. There is a little bit of a texture to it, but it's more on the lines of being just more smooth. So this was the second one I did pick up, and I do really love this one too. And then I did go for the regular city. Like, I was just really wanting a purple bag in general. So I don't know, I bought a lot of bags lately. I really need to cool it off big time. Like, I don't need any more bags, you guys. I want to really enjoy what I have. However, there was like a hole in my heart that I wanted to have something purple in my collection. And again, just seeing some of the bags on YouTube that were purple cities, like my friend Tiffany has one. Hers is an ultraviolet and it's gorgeous. And I know her favorite color is, like, one of her favorite colors is purple. And I showed her this and she was like, this is beautiful. This one is from the Real actually. And it's, oh, Caleb told me the color, and it's, I'll put it up on the screen. I can't remember. Oh, wait, no, purple glycine. So he told me it was purple glycine, and it's so pretty. I love, again, the black hardware. It's a classic city, and it's the classic size. It's not the city S size, so it just has the regular shoulder strap. It is not a crossbody. So very fun. These two actually act a lot alike. Like, they're so darling, so how I say act alike, the handles feel the same. They should be, or close to be, from the same year potentially. But yeah, the leather texture even is very, very similar on these two. So that is my last little grouping. And this was just a lot of fun, and I encourage you to check out the other ladies who are involved in the collab, and they're so nice. I bought it Thrice videos just to kind of, you know, hear their explanations as to why they didn't buy the bags just twice, but another one. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye-bye.